friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspire Planner, and today we are going to be making a few cards using the Tula XII Let's Be Friends Deco Kit. Hey everybody, all right, today we are going to use the Tula XII Deco Kit called Let's Be Friends. It's got some cute little bunnies in it, so I thought we would have a stab at this today. Got a few extra tools here, of course, because we're going to be card making, but I wanted to say that I'm kind of doing this hashtag Friendship Friday thing again. I used to do this all the time in my VIP group over there on Facebook, and it was just a lot of fun. So I thought that I would do it here as well. So here's how it works. I'm going to make 2 cards today out of this deco kit. One for myself to send to a friend, just random out of the blue, and another one to do a drawing here on YouTube. So if you're watching this and you would like to be entered into the drawing to win this second card that I make here today, go ahead and drop hashtag Friendship Friday in the comments and I will do the drawing on Monday. So we have until Monday to do that. But let me go ahead and get started on this card making. The papers in this kit are so pretty. So if you're not familiar with the Tula XII Deco Kit, here's the information card. They're always adorable. I'll probably maybe do something with this little bunny, but it always includes 6 double-sided 8.5 by 11 papers, 2 card stocks, 2 journal cards, 5 die cuts, 2 envelopes, and a sticker sheet. So you can get a ton of cards out of here. You just might have to add your own card bases and your own envelopes, and I've already used this because we did this in our card party, but I'm going to show you how cute these little die cuts are really quickly because they're so cute. This little bird and his little legs are just adorable. We've got a little chick and we've got a little rabbit. Looks like he's getting ready to pounce on maybe the chick. I don't know. Full-size little sticker sheet. Actually, it's not a full size, but it's like a full size for the kit sticker sheet. The 2 envelopes, and I think I might have already used, yep, I already used, oh no, I didn't. I have both of the cardstocks still here. We're only going to use one of these today because we're going to cut that to make 2 cards. And then our papers, they're just gorgeous. So we've got pink, like a lavender color, and like a hazy blue. And then when you turn them over, we have 2 pinks with a floral. We've got our bunny dots. And then we've got like our wish flowers. So we've got really cool papers here to play with as well. And the journal card in this kit is distance means so little when someone means so much. That's just so pretty. All right, so let's get to making our 2 cards today. First thing I'm going to do, and I don't have a plan. I am literally just winging this because that's how I roll, and I have a lot of fun doing it that way as well. So I'm going to just pinch this a little bit, cut this in half so I can create my card bases. Super easy. And I'm going to do traditional cards. These are probably going to be horizontal, opening from the bottom to the top. Now I do have a little thing here to press this down. I always call it the wrong thing, so I'm not even gonna try. That's why I stopped myself, because I was like, what I'm about to say is not the name of the tool, but for some reason that's what I've named it. So we're just not gonna name it. We're just not gonna call it by name. All right, so I've got my 2 card bases. Let's see, what do we want to make? I know I've already got some scraps, so I'm actually digging for those first, just to see if I can use any of these up. And it looks like I probably can. I love this blue so very much. So much so that I almost don't even want to mess with that too much because it's so very pretty. But I do think what I'm gonna do is, since it's long at the bottom, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a little tear, and then we'll layer it from the bottom instead of like down the side or the middle like I would normally do. So let's go ahead and put this bottom piece down first. And I'm going to open this flat just to make sure that I am putting this on exactly where I want it. Now, when I cut my papers, I don't know if you guys do this or not, but when I cut my papers, I like to leave a border, like a little white border around the side. So I never, hardly ever, never should say never, but hardly ever do it where it's just all the way up to the side. It's just not my style. I like having that little bit of border around there. Just a preference, I'm sure. I've seen beautiful cards that are done the other way, but I just really like to make sure I'm leaving that little border. So when I'm layering this one, I'm just gonna eyeball it, and then I'm just gonna let it drop down and then press it into place. I do like how that looks. That is cute. All right, now this one did not come with any sentiments, or if it did, I've already used them, but I don't think that it did. So, because this isn't a card kit, this is a deco kit. So I just need to decide which little character we're gonna use today. And I think we're gonna use that little guy because he gives it a really nice little contrast. Let me bring that in a little bit so you can see him. But I'm gonna put him up on some puppies so that he sticks up a little bit. We're gonna raise him up. So let me grab those out of here. And these are available. These are like the stick, I call them puffies, but they're like sticker dots, foam dots, adhesives. You can get these everywhere. They literally are available in just about every store that sells anything crafty. So don't worry, you can find these easily. And if you need help, let me know, but literally they're available just about everywhere. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and peel the backing off of this, and then we are gonna go ahead and put that down. The hardest part about these is getting the backing off because it sticks to everything. It's got like static electricity, I guess. I don't know. They just stick, they stick everywhere. All right, so I am going to put this little cutie right here. I'm gonna put him so he's kind of in between, and then just give him a good little push. Sorry about the shaking. And this is our first little Let's Be Friends card. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Who wouldn't want to receive this card in the mail? That's what I want to know. All right, second card. So this is going to be the card that is our giveaway card for today. So let me do this. I'm just going to measure across first. So we're going to cut it right. And I don't measure. I shouldn't have said measure. I'm going to just make a little pinch in my paper of where I want to cut it. And it's going to be about right there. And then we're going to pull this out. And we're going to make this one right before this green line. Right about there. All right, and I'm going to take a piece of this, and I'm going to cut a piece that I can do a little rip as well, but we're going to cut the whole thing down first. I should have cut that longer and just done the little rip like I did on the last one, but I didn't, and that's okay. All right, so this is the one that's going to go here. All right, let's put this cute little card together. So I'm just going to rip off the side of this. And we're going to put the green at the bottom of this card. And let's see, I think I want it to go this way because I really like that purple flower there. So we're gonna layer it just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna do it the opposite this time. So I'm gonna put this paper down first. And the reason I'm doing it the opposite, in case anybody wants to know, is because I like the look of like, it looks like grass popping up. That's the only reason why. There's no rhyme or reason to it. And pardon my sniffles, I'm still recovering from allergies. Oh, they kicked my butt this week. I don't know if where you are, it is allergy season, but here in the desert, it is 100% allergy season. Okay, now, do we want to use this cute little chick, Or do we want a little bit more contrast and use the little bird? Oh my gosh, they're both so adorable. Or we could use the bunny. We could make it look like the bunny's. Oh, yep, we're gonna use the bunny. The bunny is the winner. Look, it just looks like he's ready to hop. Maybe we should put him over here so it looks like he's kind of getting ready to hop on this little bunny ball right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me grab my puffy stickers. This is too cute. Too cute. All right. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna put one more in the middle. I probably overuse these also, but I just like to make sure that things are gonna stay put when they're supposed to. All right, don't forget, make sure to comment hashtag Friendship Friday in the comments here under the video. And on Monday, I will do a drawing and somebody will be the lucky winner of the second card, which is the card here with the bunny. Make sure I got them all off. All right, let's get this little bunny. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. All right, that is our little card. So this is the card that you will be in the random drawing for. Hashtag Friendship Friday in the comments below. So pretty. So our Tula 12 Deco kits, as you can see, are easy peasy to make cards with and other crafting things, which we will do in another time. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to comment hashtag Friendship Friday below to be entered into the drawing to win this cute little bunny card. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.